One thing I would like to explain is really well how we can visualize what range and domain means. Now again, we have Desmos.com and the calculator. A very nice trick is that when you're on the computer, you can click F11 for full screen. All right, so let's go with the square root of x, just x. Now, if you notice, and let me add the labels right here, x and y, and let me just increase the size. Maybe actually back. So, in terms of range, the function only exists. Now, let me adjust the color. As we can see, the function only exists when x is larger than 0. Therefore, the domain that the function exists is from 0 to infinity. Because if we zoom out, if we zoom out, keep on zooming out, keep on zooming out, we see that the function never ends and it doesn't have any kind of singularities. So let's zoom in back. That's the domain. What is the range, however? Now the range, let's shift this function, for example, by +2. The domain is the same. However, the range will change. The range changes for the pink function because it shifted 2 upwards. We see that you cannot plug in a number. You cannot plug in a number for x such that it gets under the line number 2. The smallest number you can plug in is 0, and it gives you 2. You cannot give any number such that the function becomes smaller than 2. What does that mean? That means that the range of the function is from 0 to infinity. Because if you zoom out and keep on zooming out and keep on zooming out, the function never ends increasing. So let's hide these ones and let's go with a square root. You know what? Let's go with a larger square root. Let's say that we have even the function, the square root. It can be written, let's go with +2, the square root of 1/4 and +5. Okay, so we have a white function right now. So again, what is the domain? What is the range? And you know what? I'm going to add a minus sign to flip it around. So now, what is the domain? The domain, we ask ourselves, what x's can I plug in such that the function gives you a unique value? And the answer is from -2 to infinity. Yeah, you can plug in any number from -2 to infinity. However, what changed is the range. So this time, the range, the highest number you can reach is 5. One more time, the highest value you can reach with this function is 5. You cannot go higher. Look, when I zoom out, there's no function at all. And it goes all the way, it even crosses the line. If you go really far enough, it becomes negative. So let's say if you plug in the number 1000, it becomes negative, and it would go all the way to -infinity. So the range is from 5 to -infinity, or from -infinity to 5. So that's how you visualize what domain and range means using this tool.